Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. This video is all about the future continuous tense. It's part of a 12-part series where I go over each and every tense. So I hope you enjoy. The future tense in English is not expressed by changes to the actual verb. Instead, we put a modal verb before the main verb to indicate future. Modal verbs are verbs such as will or may. We put this at the beginning of the verb phrase. The main structure of the future continuous is subject, will, be, and then the main verb. And it's in the present participle, which means we add ing. They will be jogging tomorrow. I will be helping my friend. She will be eating cheese. All of these sentences are in the future continuous tense. This image may help you to understand how we use the future continuous tense. You'll notice at the top it says future progressive tense. Progressive means the same as continuous. So we use will be plus the present participle. I will be teaching tomorrow afternoon. She will be running next week. It's an ongoing activity that is going to be happening in the future. There's two other forms that this tense can take. It could be negative and questions. For negative, we have to add won't. So the subject won't be, and then the main verb in the present participle. I won't be studying tomorrow. She won't be traveling this summer. If you don't want to say won't, you can also say will not. They will not be feeling happy. I will not be eating ice cream anymore. Won't and will not are the same thing. For question sentences, we say will plus subject plus be plus the main verb in the present participle. So will you be studying tomorrow? Will she be traveling this summer? Will they be feeling happy? Will you be eating ice cream anymore? So that's how we do questions and negative sentences in the future continuous. We've already touched on this slightly, but how do we use the future continuous tense? The future continuous tense expresses action at a particular moment in the future. The action will have started before that moment, but it will not have finished at that moment. Tomorrow, I will start work at 2 p.m. and stop work at 6 p.m. How can I express this using the future continuous? I can say, tomorrow I will be working for 4 hours. Here's another image that helps us to understand how to use the future continuous tense. We will be having lunch this time tomorrow. When we use the future continuous tense, our listener usually knows or understands what time we are talking about. They won't be playing tennis tomorrow morning. I won't be watching TV all day. She will be eating lunch at noon. In all three sentences, it's clear what time we are talking about. Whether it be tomorrow morning, all day, or at noon, when we use the future continuous tense, we want to stress what time we are talking about. Sometimes, when we talk about arranged events or activities in the future, we can use the future continuous or the present continuous. So, we will be driving to Ontario tomorrow morning. We are driving to Ontario tomorrow morning. The second sentence is the present continuous. We are driving to Ontario tomorrow morning. Because we're talking about a future arranged event, then it's okay that we use the present continuous here. We can use future continuous and present continuous with the same meaning when we talk about a future arranged event. Let's take a look at another example. They will not be eating with us tonight. They are not eating with us tonight. Both of them are talking about an action which will be occurring tonight, but we can use both tenses, present continuous and future continuous. The future continuous is sometimes used to indicate that a future event is prearranged. In this case, using will can indicate willingness, intention, and invitation. She will be helping us organize our kitchen. They will be coming over tomorrow at 8. I will be emailing you shortly. In all three sentences, we're indicating that a future event is prearranged. Whether it be organizing our kitchen, coming over tomorrow, or emailing you shortly, all of these events are planned for the future. We're planning for them to happen. The future perfect, future continuous, and future perfect continuous can all be used to say what we believe or imagine is happening around us. We could ask for Jane's car. She won't have used it today. Most people will have forgotten about it by now. They will have been waiting all day for the concert. Okay, folks, that's the end of the rules for future continuous. It's not the hardest tense in the world. You should be okay using it. So let's go into a short quiz to test your knowledge. We'll start with multiple choice. Pause the video and choose the correct answer. She will be flying to Hawaii next week. Flying with a Y. They will be working next Tuesday. We will be creating a website tomorrow. No, I won't be watching a movie tonight. She won't be taking photographs during the wedding. Put the verbs in the correct sentences. Meet, play, travel, eat, practice. Put them in the future continuous tense and put them in the right sentence. Okay, let me read the answers for you. Number one, will you be practicing with our team tomorrow? Number 2, how long will you be traveling in Argentina? Number 3, she said that she will be eating lunch at noon. Number 4, I think that I will be playing squash on Saturday. And number 5, will you be meeting me on Saturday? Will you be meeting me on Saturday? Here's a composition exercise. Can you put these 5 verbs into your own sentences using future continuous? Organize, plan, write, study, run. You can do this on your own, either write on a piece of paper or speak aloud. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the future continuous tense, and good luck studying.